Welcome to the world of unstoppable machines, roaring chainsaws, and fearless lumberjacks. This is where giant trees fall and raw lumber is transformed. Let the logging action begin. Welcome to Saw Masters. Watch as the KOMATSU 931 with the C144 head springs into action. In a single fluid motion, it grips a towering tree, slices cleanly through its base, and processes it with robotic precision. The rotating saw head trims the branches and cuts logs to exact lengths in seconds. It's not just powerful, it's intelligent, efficient, and engineered to perfection. In modern forestry, strength isn't enough. Precision is key. The KOMATSU 931 C144 uses advanced hydraulics and real-time sensors to measure every tree, adjusting its grip and cut automatically. Whether it's a slim pine or a massive spruce, every action is calculated. This is where brute force meets delicate control. Forests are unpredictable, muddy trails, steep slopes, dense underbrush. But the KOMATSU 931 is built for it all. Its strong traction and articulated frame allow it to move effortlessly through difficult terrain. Even on unstable ground, it remains balanced and productive, keeping the workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Time is money in forestry, and the 931C144 delivers unmatched efficiency. With fewer manual steps, faster processing speeds, and lower fuel consumption, it cuts costs while increasing output. One operator, one machine, and endless productivity. This is what modern logging is all about. This is speed and power in perfect harmony. The tree harvester locks onto a thick trunk, slices through it like butter, and processes the entire tree in just seconds. Fast, clean, and unstoppable, this machine turns tough forest work into a smooth, precise operation. The Ponsse harvester isn't just a machine, it's a master of precision. Watch as it smoothly aligns with the tree, clamps down firmly, and slices through the trunk like it's nothing. It then strips the branches and cuts the logs to size, all in one flowing sequence. This is forestry engineering perfected. This powerful machine is built to thrive in the toughest forest conditions. Rain, mud, uneven terrain, it handles it all. The robust arm reaches deep into dense woods, bringing down tall, heavy trees with ease. The Ponsse harvester isn't just working, it's performing at the top of its class. Inside the cabin, the operator controls the machine with joystick precision. Monitors display real-time data, tree height, diameter, cut length, all at a glance. Comfortable seating and climate control make long hours feel effortless. The Ponsse isn't just efficient, it's built with the operator in mind. In just minutes, a full-size tree is harvested, trimmed, and cut into usable logs. Compared to traditional methods, this is a revolution in speed. One machine, one operator, and an entire section of forest is processed faster than ever before. The Ponsse harvester saves time, fuel, and labor. Modern forestry is about balance, harvesting trees without destroying the ecosystem. The Ponsse harvester is designed with sustainability in mind. Its low-impact design minimizes soil disturbance, and its precision reduces waste. It's not just powerful, it's responsible. Every component of the Ponsse harvester is crafted for longevity and performance. From its high-torque engine to its adaptive software, it represents the future of forestry equipment. In an industry that never sleeps, this machine sets a new standard for what logging can be. Towering over the forest floor, the Rottne H21D moves with surprising agility. Despite its size, it weaves through dense trees like a dancer. The massive harvesting head grips thick trunks effortlessly, and with a clean cut, the tree is down in seconds. As it strips branches and cuts the trunk into uniform logs, it shows off the raw power and precision that defines modern forestry machines. Built for the harshest conditions, the Rottne H21D conquers mud, slopes, and uneven ground with ease. Its wide tires and advanced suspension system give it perfect balance even on steep forest hills. While other machines struggle in rugged terrain, this harvester continues to work with steady power. It's not just about cutting trees, it's about doing it efficiently wherever the forest leads. With the latest onboard technology, the Rottne H21D doesn't just harvest, it thinks. Sensors measure tree size and calculate optimal cutting points. The operator sees real-time data on screens inside the cabin, making every decision faster and smarter. Each log is perfectly sized and no wood is wasted. This is logging redefined, powerful, intelligent, and sustainable. In the heart of a snowy forest, the harvester roars to life. Ice clings to every branch, but this machine doesn't slow down. With each powerful grab and clean cut, it brings down trees like a winter warrior. Cold, quiet, and relentless, this is logging at its toughest. The forest is buried under a thick layer of snow. Trees stand like frozen giants, silent and still. But then, the powerful hum of a harvester breaks the silence. The machine rolls in, its tires crushing through snowdrifts. With a hydraulic arm reaching like a steel claw, it grabs each icy trunk, slicing through it with perfect precision. Branches fly, snow scatters, and within seconds, a towering tree is transformed into neatly cut logs. This is no ordinary day in the woods. This is winter logging at its most extreme. The cold is no match for the power of man and machine working in perfect sync. The John Deere 1470G stands like a mechanical beast among the trees. With its powerful harvesting head, it locks onto towering trunks and slices them down in one smooth motion. Each movement is calculated, controlled, and efficient. Snow crunches under its massive wheels as it advances deeper into the woods. Not far behind, the John Deere 1510G moves in steady, dependable. It collects the neatly trimmed logs and hauls them through narrow forest paths, undeterred by snow or terrain. This is the future of forestry, fast, smart, and unstoppable. This is more than just logging. It's a choreography of engineering and nature. The 1470G, guided by GPS and operator expertise, selects each tree with care, preserving the forest balance. Meanwhile, the 1510G ensures nothing is wasted, transporting timber with maximum efficiency. The machines don't just cut, they manage, optimize, and protect the forest's future. In harsh winter conditions, their resilience shines. Even as snowflakes fall and visibility fades, the John Deere duo keeps moving forward. Precision, power, and purpose all in one. The machine approaches a mature cashew tree with confidence. Its hydraulic arm extends and clamps onto the trunk like a robotic hand. In one swift motion, the high-powered saw slices through the base. But it doesn't stop there. The tree is then smoothly pulled in, and within seconds, the machine begins cutting it into neat, even sections. Each log drops into a perfect pile, ready for transport. The speed and precision are astonishing. It's like watching a skilled craftsman, only 10 times faster and stronger. As the machine continues its work, the efficiency becomes even more evident. It doesn't just cut, it calculates. Sensors measure the tree's diameter and optimize each cut for maximum yield. With minimal waste, every piece of timber is used smartly. The operator inside the cab monitors everything on a digital display, making real-time adjustments. Even on uneven terrain, the machine remains stable and smooth. This is where technology meets tradition, modern forestry at its finest. In just minutes, what was once a standing cashew tree has become a stack of ready-to-use timber. The machine moves on to the next tree with no downtime. Its powerful engine hums steadily, and the hydraulic arms keep working tirelessly. This transformation process, fast, clean, and highly automated, has revolutionized timber harvesting. It's not just about cutting trees, it's about doing it smartly, sustainably, and safely. Deep in the heart of the forest, the John Deere 1170G harvester comes to life. This state-of-the-art forestry machine, fitted with the cutting-edge H413 harvesting head, is designed for precision, power, and productivity. Watch as it glides effortlessly across uneven terrain, gripping and cutting trees with mechanical perfection. Within seconds, a tall tree is grasped, sliced at the base, and stripped of its branches, all by one powerful machine, controlled by a skilled operator inside the cabin. The H413 head handles even the toughest trunks with ease, its sharp blades and smart sensors ensuring clean, efficient cuts. Every movement is calculated, fast, and efficient, minimizing waste and maximizing output. This isn't just a logging machine. It's a marvel of engineering, combining robotics, hydraulics, and artificial intelligence to bring logging into the future. Whether you're watching for the first time or you're a forestry professional, the John Deere 1170G will leave you impressed with its agility, precision, and environmental awareness. Sustainable forestry meets smart technology, and the result is nothing short of spectacular. As the John Deere 1270H rolls into position, the forest prepares for transformation. The machine's wide wheels and robust suspension handle the uneven terrain with ease. This isn't just movement, it's calculated precision. The operator, seated in a high-tech cabin, scans the surroundings, ready to bring engineering into harmony with nature. The first tree is targeted. In one fluid motion, the harvester head clamps the trunk, slices through the base, and lifts it smoothly. Within seconds, branches are stripped and the log is measured, cut, and laid down. It's a symphony of motion, all powered by hydraulics and software, executed with surgical finesse. The 1270H doesn't pause. It moves from tree to tree like a tireless craftsman, each cycle faster and more efficient than the last. With onboard computing, every log is processed with optimized length and minimal waste. This is forestry automation at its best, relentless, accurate, and smart. Inside the cabin, the operator commands the machine with joystick precision. Multiple screens display real-time data, tree types, cutting lengths, terrain maps. Climate control, ergonomic seating, and near-silent operation ensure the driver stays sharp for hours. It's not just a cabin, it's a cockpit of forestry technology. The terrain gets steeper, but the 1270H adapts instantly. Its intelligent stabilization system keeps the machine balanced even on slopes. Powerful hydraulics maintain grip and traction while the harvester head stays steady. No delay, no error, just clean, controlled harvesting in the most challenging environments. As the day progresses, the 1270H shows no sign of slowing down. Tree after tree, it handles larger trunks, tougher wood, and thicker canopies. Each log is cut to precise specification and sorted accordingly. The productivity speaks for itself: acres cleared, logs piled, all in record time. As the machine powers down, the forest looks transformed. What was once thick, unorganized growth is now a clean, managed landscape. The John Deere 1270H doesn't just harvest trees, it delivers control, consistency, and a smarter way to manage natural resources. This is the future of forestry, and it's already here. In the heart of the forest, the TF830B chainsaw roars into action. With raw power and expert control, it slices through thick trunks like a knife through butter. Fast, fearless, and built for the wild, this is the machine that turns towering trees into precision-cut timber, one clean cut at a time. Deep in the rugged forest, a powerful duo takes command of the terrain. The Cat 320D FM, a hydraulic forestry excavator, steps in first. With its high-reach arm and heavy-duty harvester head, it grips, cuts, and delimb massive trees in one seamless motion. Each trunk is processed with surgical precision, quick, clean, and efficient. The roar of the engine echoes through the woods as the cat clears space like a sculptor shaping timber from nature's raw material. Every movement of the arm is smooth and confident, guided by advanced hydraulics and an experienced operator inside a reinforced cab. But the operation doesn't stop there. Enter the KOMATSU 895, a powerhouse forwarder designed for the toughest loads. It rolls in on 8 massive wheels, effortlessly navigating rough forest ground. Its crane arm extends over fallen logs, lifting them like twigs and stacking them neatly into its cargo bed. With incredible load capacity and perfect balance, the KOMATSU 895 ensures no minute is wasted. It works in perfect sync with the cat, collecting processed logs and transporting them quickly to the roadside, ready for the next stage of timber production. Together, these two machines represent the future of modern forestry. Power, precision, and productivity, working in harmony to get the job done faster, safer, and smarter. This isn't just logging. This is high-performance forest engineering in action. At Elmia 2022, the future of forestry was revealed. The Malva EV, a fully electric harvester, silent yet powerful, With zero emissions and advanced performance, it glides smoothly through the forest, cutting with precision and care. Clean, green, and incredibly efficient, this is not just a machine, it's a new era in sustainable logging.
Men då har de tagit en elmotor till transmissionen och sen en elmotor med en pumpväxellåda till arbetspumpen. Så hydraulsystemet är exakt samma. Så om man nu tänker sig energieffektivisering så finns det är ju nästa steg. Hur ska man driva hydraulpumparna? Transmissionen är ju det enkla. Det är ju som vilken elbil som helst. Det är bara...
Men pumparna blir värre.
In the dense forest, the Ecolog 590E with the powerful LogMax 7000C head takes control. With unmatched precision, it grabs, cuts, and delimbs massive trees in seconds. Every movement is smooth, every action efficient. Built for performance and reliability, this is forestry machinery at its best: strong, smart, and unstoppable.